In front of me is OnePlus Nord 4 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching Photos app and selecting photos or albums at the bottom. If you selected albums, tap on one of them. Hold one of your pictures that you wish to delete. And to select multiple right away, click on Select All option at the top right corner. If you want to select them from Photos section, hold one of your photos as well. But this time to select multiple, use this square at the top right corner. Wherever you decided, when you're ready to keep some of those photos, tap on them. And to delete the rest, use Delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!